In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email on Klaviyo. Let's walk through this process so you can ensure your email campaigns look just the way you want them to before they reach your audience. To get started, head over to klaviyo.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. If you're looking to send a test email from an existing campaign, or perhaps create a new one, you're in the right place. On the dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab. This will lead you to a list of all your current and past campaigns. Now, you can choose either to select an existing campaign or create a new one. If you wish to create something new, go ahead and click on Create Campaign. This is where the exciting part begins. Whether you're working with an old campaign or starting afresh, you'll enter the campaign editor. In the campaign editor, you have the flexibility to create or modify your email as you envision it in its final form. Klaviyo provides a versatile drag-and-drop email editor, which makes designing both functional and easy. You can add content, insert images, and personalize your email to align with your brand's voice and style. Take your time here because the more personalized and tailored your email, the better it will resonate with your audience. Once you're satisfied with your design, look for the Preview and Test button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the email editor. Clicking this will open up several options. To send your test email, choose the Send Test option. This is crucial as it allows you to double check your work. When you select Send Test, a pop-up will appear. Here, you'll be prompted to input the email address to which you want to send your test email. Carefully enter the desired email address and click Send Test. This step is important to ensure that the email you receive accurately reflects your campaign's intended design and content. Once you've sent the test email, make sure to check your inbox. Review the test email thoroughly. Look at every detail, check if the images are displaying correctly, if the links are functioning as intended, and if any personalization elements appear just as planned. This review is your chance to catch any errors or tweaks that may need to be made before the final email reaches your audience. And that's all there is to it. Sending a test email through Klaviyo is a straightforward process, and taking the time to do it ensures that your email campaigns are polished and professional. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy emailing.